I've been waiting for Shelly. Here she is. I've been reading my DMs.
Hey, y'all.
Welcome back to mi canal. Today we're going to be doing un poquito de todo. Ya tú sabes. And we're going to be going grocery shopping porque voy a hacer carnitas for my amiguis tonight. We got a really good and upcoming tattoo artist coming over to do some work on us tonight as well. And we have the Dodger-Yankee game on Sunday. We're going to be heading to LA tomorrow. So we have so much going on right now. I'm going to take you guys through it and do kind of like a two-part vlog. So stay tuned. Yep, Smart and Final. Little list moment. I can't go anywhere without a pinche list, you guys. Porque se me olvida lo que vengo. I'll end up getting what I don't fucking need and then have to come back. I'm gonna get, oh no, they don't have no fucking red onions. Are you fucking joking? Oh my god. Now what? Oh my god, I don't know, man. Like, I'm just happy to be out of the pinche tienda and going home and letting daddy out, feeding him, and getting these carnitas ready for you guys. So I'm gonna give you the most easiest recipe, so don't even freaking trip. Mine does not include putting Coca-Cola or anything like that in it, so it's gonna be so effing good. Okay, you guys, so I'm back in the kitchen right now, and I look like a fucking mess because this is what it is right now. This is life. So I went grocery shopping. I spent about $74. I bought what I needed for the carnitas and some. So I wanted to just show you guys what I got. I'm not gonna do rice. I might do a little bit of beans, might not, leaning more towards no, just because it's not keto. Oh no, kid. And then, okay, let's get started. So it's really simple, the carnitas I'm gonna show you guys how to make, so I don't want you to feel overwhelmed. Like, I even started YouTubing myself. I started YouTubing how to make carnitas, and people have like bay leaves, y ajo, y cebolla, and they put Coca-Cola, and it's like not even like that at all. So I got pork shoulder, the picnic kind. I got this at Smart and Final. I wish I got it from like Ralph's so I could ask them, or Vaughn's, or whatever your local supermarket is, so that I can ask them to cortar la grasa, but whatever, we're gonna just put in some extra work. So I got that. And it's really cheap, you guys, y puede darle de comer mucha gente. Like, you can feed a lot of people. I mean, I only paid $8.69 for all of that. I got some red diced onions because, as you guys could see in the freaking video, they didn't have no pinche cebolla, so I'm gonna chop them up even finer, and I'm gonna add the rest of the seasoning. Compré jalapeno ranch because I bought coleslaw para hacer una ensaladita. I bought cilantro. I bought limones. I bought regular salsa porque every time I make salsa in this house, it goes bad. Nobody fucking finishes it. Serrano peppers for the morning porque vamos a hacer machaca burritos with the keto tortilla. Look at me, I'm a mess. I bought mayonesa mexicana. I bought some spicy carrots. And yeah, so let me get all this stuff put away and we'll get started. Okay, you guys, so make sure you get yourself a super sharp knife. Daddy, move. If you don't have one, or your knives aren't that sharp, make sure that you grab this. And remember, any of the kitchen stuff that you guys even see, even this, you can get on my Amazon storefront, kitchen gadgets. It's www.amazon.com/shop/MERS. So get the tools you need so that you're not struggling in the kitchen. I'm gonna do this in the sink because I wanna make sure to rinse the pieces off, and then as they're finished, I'm gonna put them in here. The oven is on at 375 right now, and that's already set, ready to go. So I'm gonna cut these up, cut the fat off, and then I'm gonna get back to you guys. Something my mom always taught me to do. Just rinse the pork. And make sure to sanitize the sink very well when you're done. And it's cold water. It's okay if a little bit of water gets left behind because we were going to add some into it anyway. But let me wash my hands. We have our pot, our oven's on like I said. We're going to generously coat this with salt and pepper. You know what, I'm just going to use the... Alright, so like I said, I'm just going to use this pepper. Any pepper you want is fine. I'll mix it around in a second. Generously coat it with salt. I like to put garlic powder and garlic cloves, so that's what I'm going to do right now. Alright you guys, so I'm going to stir everything up now. And I left the bone in here porque le va a dar a lot more flavor. So, like I said, there is water in here. I'm just going to mix everything up. The garlic is just up in there. And now I'm going to wash my hands and I'm going to cover this in foil and we're going to stick it in the oven for about 3 hours. So I will be back, my loves. So the pork is in the oven, as you guys saw me put in there. And again, I wanted to go over like the process. I don't want you guys to feel anything intimidated. This is a great thing to make for a large group of people. It's not expensive. It's very affordable. You get your pork shoulder or pork butt. You chop it up. Try your best to cut the pieces of grasa off. If you can't, that's fine. You add salt and pepper after rinsing your pork. Put it in the plato, or put it in the pot. You cover it with salt, pepper, and garlic cloves. You cover it with foil and you throw it in the oven for at least 3 hours. If you can get a fork in the carne and it literally shreds apart, then you're ready to go. But I'll go ahead and show you that so you guys, we can do it together. All right, you guys, so we're still waiting on the carnitas. It's been 3 freaking hours, but it takes a long time to tenderize. Make sure that you're checking on it every 2 hours and like turning it around. You're gonna see a lot of liquid, which is totally fine. That's all the grasa and the water and everything coming out of the pork, so don't even trip. All right, you guys, so I just checked on the carnitas and they're looking amazing. So trust me, you do not want to have carnitas without this salsa right here. So you're gonna get chopped up already bought red onion, or chop it up. As you guys saw, they didn't have any for us to chop up, so I put it in a little Tupperware. All you're gonna add to this is red wine vinegar, red crushed peppers, oregano, oil, and salt. Believe me, this will be so fucking fire. We're checking on the carnitas and this looks perfect. Look how it's just falling off. Here's the bone. Look how it's just falling off the bone. So I rotated everything one more time and everything literally came clean off the bone. And I'm going to throw it in the oven for a couple more minutes while my amiguis get here. I made the cebolla. I'm going to cut up some cilantro. I'm going to get the tortillas ready. And let me tell you guys, I got the guacamole, the pico de gallo. It is about to be a feast.
Hi, guys.
Who have you guys been waiting for?
Hey.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Hello.
I've been waiting for Shelly. Here she is. I've been reading my DMs.
Hey, y'all.
We're going to go check on the carnitas right now.
It smells so good in here. And
off
oh my God,
the
can you hear
fucking
that?
bone. Can you guys hear that? Smash that like button.
oh my God, that sounds and smells good. My mouth.
You guys, so everything is officially done. The carnitas. We have spicy carrots, the cebolla salsa, limes, salsa, guacamole, coleslaw salad, cilantro, and rice for the homegirl because I cannot have none of that.
Nuestros pelos son diferentes. Ella.
You guys, tonight's gonna be a good fucking night. Can't even fucking breathe. You guys, it was so good.
Soba.
I can't.
Bomba.
I can't. We're gonna have to do a 2-part with this because
Really?
I can't.
But it's okay because when Phil comes home, we're gonna eat again.
So Phil will be home in about 20 minutes and we'll be ready to eat again.
Oh my god, seriously, ya se me está bajando.
Hair's already getting curly. Yes. Oh my god. Oh, I'll do it. I'll do anything.
I'll do anything.
I'll be real still.
Even give me this.
Look.
No, 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 no.
She's making the vape pop out. She's making my forehead boner come out.
My forehead.
You guys see it? My forehead boner is living
It hella is. You see it,
living
Becca?
its best life.